Hello everyone, welcome to Monday. A really big update today. The S&P 500 is up over 7%. I am following 21 of my holdings that make up most of our models. All but one were up today. Another 210 holdings that I'm following that make up everything that we own. All but 8 were up today. That's very broad. We saw movement towards risk. In other words, people are buying more mid-cap and small-cap stocks than they were large caps. And so that's usually a sign that people feel confident that they're coming back in. We saw an uptick in volume, which is also important. Not huge volume, but definitely higher than what we saw last week. In those updates that we had. So some follow through, some expectations for what's happening in New York. Maybe they're cresting with their disease, and people are modeling that and looking at other places of the country, making some expectations that we might be out of this sooner than later, which would allow the economy to recover on top of all the stimulus. We are participating in this quite well. Apple, which we've been accumulating, was up almost 9% today, and we have some pieces that have done really, really well. Last week we did great. And so I'm just optimistic that this might turn into something useful, but not overly so. Just because the reality of the earnings reports that are going to come out are going to at least make things rocky, if not, problematic. Right now, we're just operating off of what we can see, which isn't that much in terms of earnings. And so things are good at this point. We did some significant breakthroughs today. This is an important day. And so hopefully we can hold that. So everybody have a great day, and I look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Thank you very much.